Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can repost a video on TikTok. So recently, TikTok rolled out an update in which it lets you repost a video of someone else on your profile. This totally depends on the person who has uploaded the video. They can toggle this feature on or off, whether someone can repost the video or not. So here I'm going to show you how to repost the videos on TikTok. The video which you want to repost, if you watch the video more than one time, the repost button will pop up here on the screen where you can click and then repost the video. If that button isn't showing up, then press on the share button here on the screen and this window will pop up. Here you'll get a bunch of options where you can send it to your friends or send it to any other platform or download it or report the video. Here you find this yellow button saying repost. If you press this button, it'll repost it on your account, where you can add any comment or add any kind of caption to it if you want to. If you can't find this feature on your TikTok, that means that either you are not running the latest version of TikTok or the person who has uploaded this specific video have turned off that feature. You can try any other video and see where you will find the repost button. And if you can't still find the button, then you can reinstall TikTok app and then you will get the button there. So secondly, I'm going to show you how you can repost your own video on TikTok. So go to your profile and you'll see the videos that you have uploaded on your profile. Now here you won't see the repost button on your profile on your own videos. So what you need to do is click on your video, click on share, and from here download the video that you have uploaded. But this one has a downside to it. Here, when you download the video, it'll add the TikTok tag to the video. There's a way in which you can download TikTok videos without the tag, about which I've made a video and the link's in the description. You can check it from there. You will have to download the video and then again go to your TikTok home screen, click on the plus icon and then go to upload media from gallery and then press the video that you just downloaded and then add the caption and re-upload it. This is how you can repost your own video. I hope you found this video helpful and please drop a like, comment if you have any question. I'll make a video of how to get it done and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time, peace.